Welcome to TopTeniverse, your ultimate destination for fascinating top 10 lists and countdowns from across the universe. Today, we're diving deep into the cosmos to uncover the most mind-blowing facts about the universe that you probably never knew. Fasten your seatbelts, open your minds, and get ready for an awe-inspiring adventure through the cosmos. Our first stop on this cosmic journey takes us to the very edge of what we can observe, the expanding universe. Imagine this. You're baking a loaf of raisin bread, and as the dough rises, the raisins inside move farther apart. This mind-boggling discovery was first made in 1929 by astronomer Edwin Hubble. By observing distant galaxies, he noticed their light was stretched, shifted towards the red end of the spectrum. This phenomenon, known as redshift, indicated that these galaxies were moving away from us. The universe isn't just static, it's constantly expanding, stretching the very fabric of space-time. Prepare to have your mind boggled by the sheer scale of this next cosmic wonder. The Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall is the largest known structure in the observable universe, stretching a mind-blowing 10 billion light-years across. This means that the Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall is 100,000 times larger than our entire galaxy. This gargantuan structure is a supercluster of galaxies, a massive grouping of galaxy clusters bound together by gravity. Imagine billions upon billions of galaxies, each containing billions or even trillions of stars, all strung together across an expanse of space that's almost incomprehensible to the human mind. The discovery of the Hercules-Corona Borealis Great Wall in 2013 sent shockwaves through the astronomical community. Have you ever walked along a beach, mesmerized by the sheer number of grains of sand stretching out as far as the eye can see? Now try to imagine this. There are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth combined. The universe is literally teeming with stars, far more than we could ever hope to count. Astronomers estimate that there are over 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, each containing billions or even trillions of stars. If we were to try to count all the stars in the universe at a rate of 1 per second, it would take us longer than the current age of the universe, 13.8 billion years. Some are massive giants, hundreds of times larger and brighter than our sun. The sheer abundance of stars in the universe is a testament to its incredible fertility and the boundless possibilities for the existence of other worlds and perhaps even other forms of life. Black holes. These enigmatic objects have captivated our imaginations for centuries, conjuring up images of cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking up everything in their path. But the reality of black holes is far more complex and even stranger than fiction. Contrary to popular belief, black holes aren't actually empty voids. They're regions of space-time where gravity is so incredibly strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. Imagine a star many times more massive than our sun, collapsing in on itself under its own gravity. As it collapses, its density increases, squeezing all that matter into an infinitesimally small point called a singularity. So, while black holes may appear as dark, empty voids in the fabric of space-time, they're actually some of the most extreme and fascinating objects in the universe. Imagine a sphere the size of a city, but with a mass greater than our sun. Now imagine that this sphere is spinning hundreds of times per second, emitting beams of radiation that sweep across the cosmos like a lighthouse. What you're picturing is a neutron star, one of the densest and most extreme objects in the known universe. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded as supernova. During a supernova, the outer layers of the star are blasted into space, while its core collapses in on itself under the crushing force of gravity. As the core collapses, protons and electrons are forced together, forming neutrons. Just a sugar cube-sized amount of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons, about the same as Mount Everest. These extreme properties make neutron stars some of the most fascinating objects in the universe. Let's talk about scale, shall we? When we gaze up at the night sky, we're only seeing a tiny fraction of what's actually out there. The observable universe, the portion of the cosmos that we can currently detect from Earth, is estimated to be a mind-boggling 93 billion light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, 1 light-year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. That means that the observable universe stretches for 46.5 billion light-years in every direction from Earth. Now here's the catch. We're seeing these distant objects as they were billions of years ago. The vastness of the observable universe is a humbling reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things. For centuries, humans have gazed up at the stars and wondered, are we alone? Are there other planets out there orbiting distant suns? Thanks to advances in astronomy, we now know that the answer is a resounding yes. In fact, planets are far more common than stars in the universe. Astronomers estimate that there are trillions upon trillions of planets in the observable universe, and that's just a tiny fraction of what's actually out there. For every star you see twinkling in the night sky, there could be dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of planets orbiting it. Some of these planets are gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, while others are rocky worlds like Earth and Mars. The discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars other than our Sun, has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Our universe has a beginning, a moment in time when everything we see around us burst into existence. Scientists call this event the Big Bang, and it's estimated to have occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago. In the beginning, the universe was an incredibly hot, dense state, smaller than an atom, but in a fraction of a second it expanded rapidly, cooling and stretching space-time itself. Over millions of years, these particles coalesced under the force of gravity, forming the first stars and galaxies. The story of the universe is an epic tale of cosmic evolution, from a tiny, dense state to the vast and complex cosmos we inhabit today. The human body is a remarkable machine, a complex assembly of elements that work together to create life. But have you ever stopped to wonder where those elements came from? The answer, my friends, lies in the heart of dying stars. The elements that make up our bodies, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, iron, and all the rest, were forged billions of years ago inside the nuclear furnaces of stars. When massive stars reach the end of their lives, they explode as supernovae, scattering these newly formed elements into the cosmos. These stellar remnants eventually become part of new stars, planets, and even living organisms like us. We are literally made of stardust, connected to the universe in a profound and awe-inspiring way. We've explored the vastness of the observable universe, but what lies beyond the cosmic horizon? What if our universe is just one of many, perhaps an infinite number of universes existing alongside our own? This mind-bending concept is known as the multiverse. The multiverse is a theoretical concept that suggests that our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam of universes, each with its own unique set of physical laws, constants, and perhaps even dimensions. These universes may be completely separate from our own, or they may interact with each other in ways that we can't even begin to imagine. The idea of the multiverse arises from several different areas of physics, including cosmology, string theory, and quantum mechanics. While there's no direct observational evidence for the existence of the multiverse, it's a tantalizing possibility that has captured the imaginations of scientists and science fiction writers alike. The concept of the multiverse challenges our fundamental understanding of reality and our place within it. That's it for today's countdown of the most amazing facts about the universe. From the mind-boggling scale of the cosmos to the bizarre objects that call it home, we've journeyed through a universe of wonder and discovery. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TopTeniverse for more incredible top 10 lists about everything in the universe.